Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sound icon missing from taskbar in Windows 10. So friends, to resolve this issue, firstly you need to click on taskbar. So right click taskbar, then click on taskbar settings. Now scroll down and click on turn system icons on or off. Here you will see option volume. So just you need to turn on. When you turn on, you will see now volume icon is appear. In case if this method is not work, so try second easy method. Right click on taskbar. Now click on task manager. Now in this list find out Windows Explorer. Select it and click on restart. That's it. So hopefully friends, by using this simple and easy method, this problem and issue will be fixed. Thanks for watching.